The commitment is real sa iyong iyong homecoming.
The commitment is real and the age is feeling real. Diba? Pero actually, yung September na to, I was supposed to leave it open.
Okay.
Kaya lang si Stevie B committed me to the casino where we performed nung kailan ba yun? September 5 actually. So, alam ko na mabibitin ako sa stay ko dito. Kasi parang, di ba, bago mag-concert, parang dapat one yun. But we've been talking, we've been doing online meetings. So, carry lang. Kasi naman yung mga kakantahin, some of them, lang namin, i-re-tuba. Pero in essence, all hits will include songs that are known that I sang and songs na cover na alam nila ako yung kumakanta madalas. So,
how's life in Texas? Parang busy rin yung shows. Ang dami mo rin shows. The grind didn't stop.
Oh Lord. God is so good. Kasi nakakatawa. 2021 when we left, July. Yung July, after July, nag-TOFA New York agad ako like that fall noong 2021 and that was very strict kasi pandemic, di ba? Kailangan may ganito, may ganyan. I made it through. Pagkatapos nun, nag-unti-unting nagbukas yung economy sa US. Lahat gusto na mag-produce kasi ang daming sabik. Naka-tsempo ako ng nandun ako, no need to have a visa. Lipad, parang Darna. So go! Kung saan ako nakapunta. So from 2021 till now, I'm still doing shows.
Grabe, the tour didn't stop.
Awa ng Diyos. I mean, that's only something that he can do. Kasi di ba, how many times can you really do a show in LA?
Yeah.
Julit-julit lang iba-ibang lugar lang, pero, di ba, julit-julit lang siya. Tapos, marirealize mo, ang isang state, ang laki.
Oo.
So many cities, mga Filipinos are scattered. So, I thank all of our kababayans. Actually, doon na nga ako nakatira. So, kami, tayo lang nagsusuportahan. Wala ka namang ibang susuportahan, di ba? And then the influx also of that, nagkaroon na rin ng chance for all the other artists from here, given that they needed visas and all of that, kahit gano'ng kalaki yung production, nagiging successful. Like TG's concert. Kasi talaga ang mga tao ngayon, they want to go back into listening to the artists that they support, yung nostalgia moments. Ako, lahat ng kinakanta ko, pang mga lang papafeel na lang may umiiyak, may mga, minsan kumanta na rin ako sa funeral. Yung wake.
Talaga?
I did, and the family wanted me next to the, yung family nila. Tapos bukas yung coffin. Diyos ko, dahil sabi ko, kaya ko ba yun? Kinaya ko. Kasi, trabaho siya
Yeah.
And I was one of the favorites of the mom. So, things like that. Diba?
What did you sing?
Requests nila yun. So
it was like a more celebration of life type of way.
I don't remember, pero hindi ko na maalala. Baka kinanta ko na rin yung kita, malilimutan yung mga ganyan. Just songs that the mom wanted. Sana, when she was alive, to hear from me. So,
has it been a while since you've been back? 2021 din ba? Oh my gosh!
4 years. Mabilis lang daw yung 4 years. Pati naman daw matagal.
Pero kasi naging busy ka rin, so siguro it just, slipped away.
Doing a lot of things. I'm a grandmother of a 1-year-old boy, si Grayson Gage. Wife, and now my husband's studying college. My son is in sophomore siya sa high school. And then I was taking my high school equivalency program because I wanted to sana take some college courses. Gusto ko talagang chumika lang na, gusto ko ba maging real estate broker? Ano bang gusto kong gawin? Then, like I said, God always has His own plans. Now I'm going to be owning some businesses here.
Wow! Anong business?
Wow! Baka ako. Nagsa-start pa lang nagkaroon na ng laundromat. Pero yun, nasa bandang Dasmariñas. Ano ba?
Yes.
My partner started them and they really, really, really wanted me to be part of it. Kasi daw nakita nila na sa bahay mo pa nga lang kumakaasikaso ka sa family mo, para kang slave. Yung parang lahat ginagawa ko. Luto, ano gusto nyo? Papa, punta kayo sa bahay, may lafang. Papa, ano gusto nyo? Adobash, sinigash, I cook almost everything. And then I think they really wanted a business partner who was going to fall in love with the business.
Did you already, you have a business here, but do you still have your house here?
Wala na.
You sold it?
We sold it. Happily sold it to my accountant, si Miss Flor Santos. If you all know L.A. Santos,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Siya kasi naging accountant ko for many years and a dear friend. And one day, sabi niya, parang feeling niya kailangan niya tumawag. Kasi alam niya, binibenta ko yung bahay ng pandemic. Tapos, punta lang siya, padilim pa nga nung gabi na yun may pinanggalingan akong trabaho. Tapos, sabi niya, parang kailangan kong bilhin yung bahay mo. So, she bought it.
Wow.
At the price, that wasn't really OA, no? Kasi we really wanted to leave. Yeah.
The decision, 4 years on, how is it that you left?
It has been a true blessing from God because we obeyed. Okay, so you have to understand, sinong bibili ng bahay ng pandemic? Sinong magtatangkang umalis during a time when nobody is supposed to leave? And I'm literally saying, paalam muna. I mean, who does that? But we really were praying about many different things. My husband had a stroke nung time na yon. Hindi naman siya nalumpo, parang mata lang niya nag-move. Tapos kami walang hospital, natatangkap sa'yo. Ay, may bagong hospital pala sa kalye namin. I mean, that was the purpose of that whole event. Yung pandemic was really to assess and to realize what are you truly going to live for. And for me, it was family first. God, family, and then last na ako.
You were saying that mas malaki na sila, that's why you're here again? Why they're here?
Well,
Grabe.
actually, isa lang ang ating bodyguard, si Sabria. She's gonna be part of the concert. Bakit? Di ba naalala niyo Focus Theater 1997? Ang guests ko, si Mamita, Miss Melita Corrales, and my mom. Biggest moment of my life. Sino ba naman ako, di ba? Sila yung nagbigay ng daan parang inilatag ako at inihatag sa tao. And that was a blessing for me. And I thought, you know what better way to really introduce my daughter, although she's written a few songs nalagay sa Spotify, JR helped produce it, but she wrote and did all the music all on her own, arranged all of it. So I thought, baka pwede escape ka muna ng college kasi okay lang yan, maghihintay ang college. Sama ka sa akin, sabi niya, I'll think about it. Then one day she said, I'm gonna go with you. Wala pa ilang days lang yan, no? Then I bought your tickets. Ayun na, dito na siya. So, I'm going to introduce her. Parang gano'n lang din. Sana si mama umapir. Charot.
But also, you're gonna be busy guesting tomorrow. You're gonna be in 5.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Uy, first time kong pupunta sa TV5.
Ay, talaga? At Eat Bulaga. Diba?
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Sabi, I'm going to be Eat Bulaga. Nakanta ako.
Wow.
Nang maaga-maaga.
You're gonna perform again? Sa Philippine Free TV.
Exactly. You know, I'm a little, medyo frazzled ako ngayon kasi parang tulog yung diwa ko, pero
mo.
gising. Talagang yung puso ko, hindi ko alam saan ko ilalagay, kung dito o dito. Yung kaba and excitement, tsaka yung, ang bilis lang ng panahon, no? Ito na, Sunday na yung concert. So there's so many things running through my mind, but basically I'm really grateful and thankful.
So Vibe, there's Anna Ramsey this year.
I think nandun siya, no? Yes,
Yeah.
pamangkin ko yun.
Wow.
Ang papa niya at ako'y first cousins. Kasi ang tatay ni Kuya Herbie at ang nanay ko, magkapatid sa isang ina. Ayan na!
She's doing well.
I heard, congratulations Ana. Ang galing.
You're gonna see her tomorrow.
Hindi ko nga alam kung nandun siya bukas. I'm sure.
Yeah. And sila Regine ba? Nakita na kayo?
Hindi pa. Nagtawagan na kami. Bago sila nag-Europe, siguro a month before that, we talked to each other. Alam mo na, plano-plano, saan ka pupunta?
Oo.
Sabi ko, ang lafang ha. Gano'n nga ng mga usap na.
So mas mapapabadalas ka na rito kasi nga may kasama ka na.
I hope. Kasi yun naman yung target eh. Umalis kami because there was nothing happening here. And I needed to concentrate on my kids. Maging nanay man lang ako kahit papaano. And nabigyan pa ako ng apo. So feeling ko was, okay, rest, do things for yourself, We were blessed with a new home, nakabili kami ng home. My husband being a disabled veteran, kasi military siya dati, became 100%, meaning anything we buy is zero property taxes.
Oh, wow.
Our cars have, alam mo yung anong tawag doon? Yung mga DV plates, disabled veteran plates. So, we have designated, alam mo yun, magpupunta ka, may mga toll, libre.
Di ba may sinasyakingan din doon kayo na may discount?
Ng bongga. Do you guys have veterans discount?
Yeah, we can give you like 10%. So, na-avail mo pala talaga.
Avail.
Oo, kaya
Avail. Pero ako, ano naman ako matipid naman ako mag-grocery.
Correct.
Alam mo na, Pinoy.
And congrats na achieve mo yung what you were meant.
Oh,
I think that what kind of fulfillment is that? Fulfillment.
It is an absolute major fulfillment kasi yun yung wala ako nung lumalaki ako as a little kid, as a grown teenager. I never had a family, right? Mahabang kwento yun, pero totoo yun. And the only thing is that I'm grateful for all of my hardships and struggles because that's exactly what I needed to become the woman that I am now. Kasi kung wala ka namang hardship, paano mo ma-treasure yung mga nagaganap sa buhay mo kung lahat easy lang? And I'm glad my mom was my mother. Kasi iba, you have to become independent if she's your mom.
Superstar din, di ba? Like you.
She is a superstar but she never acted like one. So nakaka-confuse. Di ba? Sikat-sikat ng nanay ko sa bahay, solitaryo lang. Nakataas yung t-shirt kasi mainit, di ba? Girly short. Ayoko na sabihin yung t-shirts. Sobrang init na init siya, pero Day! Asan na yung tuyo, Day? Kain na tayo, Day. Ganun sa bahay. Naglaban na ba kayo? Okay. But when she goes out, nakikita mo yung nanay mo, ganun siya. And then that's how I studied my mom. I had to study her. And alam niya yun, inaral ko siya. Kasi ang dami niyang ginawa na wala pa yatang ibang taong nakakagawa.
Trailblazer.
Tama? Trailblazer is the word, yeah.
Are you gonna introduce your daughter here?
I'm sorry.
Ay, halika sa Bria. I'd like to introduce to you my daughter.
Ay! Ayan na!
Sa Bria
Kasi
Ganda.
diba, continuing the lineage kung, diba, si Miss Elizabeth, ngayon, it's your time.
Ito na, magkamukha na kami. Kung si
Very
Mama nandito,
beautiful.
just triple ano tayo, cheekbones at panga.
Sobrang ganda.
This is my daughter, Sabria. She just turned 19. Oh, ikaw na.
Kaya mo na yan daw!
Kaya mo na yan, Day.
Hi, my name is Sabria. I'm an upcoming artist, hopefully, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I wasn't supposed to be here actually. I really was planning on doing college. This was like really unexpected. I remember I was eating dinner and biglang I just said like, Mom, sige, I'll just go. Like what she said earlier, like it was super random. I really was wanting to focus on like my studies and everything.
Sobrang galing kasi nito na kamay. Pwede nga siyang architect Yun yung dapat niyang gagawin architecture.
Yeah,
So, sure ka?
yeah, I wanted to do like, I was so interested in architecture, graphic design,
Right.
drawing. I was so like ready to do that. But I just got convicted one day and I was like, I think I really want to get my music out there because I have so much that I want to share with people. And I write all my materials and I produced everything. So it's just like, I really wanted to get out here in the Philippines.
So singing.
Yes.
And she plays guitar, drums, and
Oh, wow.
Anything.
Runs in the family.
namanan yan kay Mama tsaka sa tatay ko.
Same genre ba?
Oh no.
Anong genre niyo sabihin?
Ano ba yun?
Ano kasi po I don't like to stick with one genre, if that makes sense.
Hindi na siya uso, right?
Kinda.
Isa lang.
Yeah. So, I'm really like flexible with anything. So, mga R&B, yung mga Moira, Forest Spades, you know, Juan Carlos, like those are the people I listen to and I like look up to. So, that's what I kind of try to mirror. But I also, you know, I love a lot of the oldie stuff that my mom plays. Like, she'll, like, what is
Sample!
Ano na yan?
I don't know. You have a lot of oldies, like Sade.
Oh, yes.
80s.
80s.
Sample
Scandal
naman sa
Ballet.
Bria. Wow, ganda.
Ano pa ba? Example, ikaw, ano gusto mo?
You wanna try singing?
Ito naman sinasali pa.
Oh, ikaw na daw.
Hindi ko alam lyrics.
It's your time to shine daw.
Piling sa museo, di na lumulumba. Pinipiling kong ganda ng kaluluwa. Gonna keep you like the darkest shade.
Grabe,
boses
parang
namin,
napaka-natural naman sa inyo.
This girl right here, I'm really so proud of her because how many people can really say they write and produce their own materials.
Mhm.
Tagalog kahit. Meron na siyang Tagalog eh. So, sabi ko lang sa kanya, ang importante is focus on the music, come back here kasi Pilipino pa rin ang mag-aangat sa'yo. Kahit na anong mangyari, pag tugong Pilipino, kailangan dito ka mag-start and then after that, do your own thing.
Actually, yung gusto ko itanong, parang since umakisimula na si Sabria ng career niya here in the Philippines, so mas matagal siya dito.
Okay lang, she's already 19.
Okay.
Siyempre, ang lola mo, ako pa rin ng bodyguard.
Okay.
Or alalay. I've done that before. Nag-open siya sa isang concert. Ako na yung taga-bukit ng bag. Oo. Tapos ang mic, asa ng mic? Oh, pumasok na. Yung tubig nandun sa ano. Ako na talaga yung...
Kasi
Momager.
So Sabria, you're good with staying longer here? Because if you're gonna be creating music, collaborating, producing.
Yeah, I'm very open to it. But I think so far because I'm really close to my family and I love living with them. So it's like yeah.
Pero saan mo lumaki si Sabria? Dito ba, Jaya?
Born and raised ang mga anak ko dito.
Okay.
Pinanganak sila dyan sa San Juan. So actually, nung dumating kami kanina, tumatalon-talon kami sa immigration. Nakakahiya, di ba? Parang, my God, ito na yun! Nandito tayo! Tapos we were jumping, we realized we really missed being here. Kasi sila, yun lang yun. Show your tattoo that has the number 12. Yung dati namin,
Nagubad agad.
ito kasi
I love it.
number 12 na bahay, ay yung bahay namin dyan sa Commonwealth. Pero ito yung pinaka-font. Sabi ko, ba't may lalagay yung tattoo? Sabi niya, ma'am, doon ako pinanganak, di ba? Doon ako lumaki. Namimiss nila yung bahay. Sabi ko, bahala ko. Asawa ko rin nagtato.
Pero gaano ka-importante no, na kahit nasa States kayo, talagang OG Pinoy, di ba? Talagang pinalaki na sila na yun ang ano nila, talaga yung kanilang ibabalandra sa mundo.
Kailangan eh. Kasi yun tayo eh. Tayo namang umarket pa tayo na iba tayo. Hindi ka nandun pinanganak. So, ang ano ko kasi, I always think about yung time namin. Kaming mga 70s kids. Ano ba yung mga ginagawa? How did we make it into this industry? Hirap! Ang hirap, wala kami social media, puro cassette, tapos i-record mo yun sa radyo, tapos isiprahin mo yung lyrics, tapos ulit-ulitin mo yun, tapos kakainin ng cassette yung tape. So, kailangan matuto kang i-flat ulit. There's so many hurdles for us back then. But that's the reason why naging okay yung career. Kasi talagang, straight focus. Kung hindi ka focus, gutom. But with them, they have so many social media kayo, ang dami pwedeng sila marunong na mag-ganyan-ganyan, mag-post-post. So I think that's also an advantage. But I wanna make sure na yung pagka-Pilipino niya, yung Tagalog songs, yung aralin mo yung mga classic songs na alam mong gusto mo. Huwag yung pinipilit. Diba? Yun eh. Diba yan?
Ang Sabria question, do you, kasi nasa States ka eh, do you have plans to also pursue music opportunities in the US?
Oh yeah, 100%. I feel like kasi I wanted to start off my career here kasi nga, of course, Filipino, and this is like where I feel like it's just right to like start a career here, hopefully. And in the States, kasi nga Kuya JR, again, I work with him, and he's also based in like LA, California. So it's like I want to bring my materials there too. Kasi nga, a lot of people are not aware about this, but Filipino culture right now is so big in the Philippines. Every Filipino community.
In the US.
In the States, yeah. And so it's like it's so like I don't know. It's what's the word like? It's like it brings us closer to home. Once Filipinos in the States like find out, oh my gosh, this is the culture now, and this is, have you heard this song? Because I'll have like other friends who like they're not Filipino, and then they'll play like Zakta Butlo or Forrest Bay, and I'm like, wow.
Nagulat ako, yun ang mga gusto niya, Zakta Butlo. Sino pa isa?
Forrest Bay,
Four of Spades, Juan Carlos. May isa pa eh. Nag-solo yung, pa yun? Si Adi.
Wow.
Sabi ko, sino yan? Ako naman.
So
Wala pang demo kahit nasa
may mga
States ka.
fans yun.
Oo. Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah, Filipino culture, like it reaches so
It got
far
big.
there. It got
Lumaki
so
siya.
big.
Lumagpas na dun sa mga ibang kultura. Even Mexicans listen to our music. Oh. Eh, sa Texas kami, di ba? Medyo
Puro Pinoy
cowboy.
din.
Hindi, oo, maraming Pinoy, pero ito, nakikinig na rin siya sa mga Latino music, tapos country music. Sabi ko, gawa ka sa ng ano, yung may twang ng country, pero ganito siya. Napagawa. Sabi ko, walang lang si cowboy ka.
Are you gonna showcase your original music sa concert?
Yeah, I will be singing 2 of my original songs.
Galing.
Will your mom also sing your original songs? Do you have a song for, have you written a song?
Together?
Not yet.
Wala
Not
pa.
yet. Not yet.
That's what we're gonna work on. Kasi may time naman eh. Now that we can do this together, we will definitely, you have to write the song.
How do you collab? Like, kanina ang galing, parang natural na kumakanta kayo together. Do you really sing in a day together?
I don't
or
sing
jam?
at home. I don't sing at home, period. Ako lang yung singer na walang karaoke. Bumili ako ng mic, bumili ako ng speaker. Siya gumagamit. So she plays a lot in her bedroom. May guitar siyang electric, acoustic. Ako, naglalaba, mama. Iniisip ko sinong magkakat ng grass ng Sabado. Ganyan yung drama ko. Ay, naku, kailangan car wash ako today. So pag car wash, nakalabas ako, Texas is so big, right? Lahat drive. Kailangan paglabas ko, nag-grocery ako, nag-car wash, nag-vacuum, na ganyan. Tapos,
How much of an influence is your lola or your lolo and your mom sa iyo? And your dad?
actually, my father's never in the scene. So it's just ako,
Your lolo?
si mama. Si Lola.
But I would like to include him sometimes.
Oh.
Sitting at the guitar,
Yeah.
playing, that's all from him. But they're really, really big influences to me. I don't know, even like just the way how I live, like of course I live with my mom and stuff, but I never really grew up with my Lola. But I always noticed that she was like, even if they were like, they had big names, like one thing I always focused on was how like humble they were. And, like how much of like good people like my mom and my Lola was. And it's like that I always looked up to that. Because sometimes, you know, you'll see like certain people like celebrities and you're like, parang they're so very, like what do you call this? Like they have a wall or something.
Anong tawag doon?
Like,
Alam ko yung sinasabi ko. Hindi naman suplado, pero yung pag celebrity day, celebrity.
Yeah.
Yeah, tama ba yan?
yeah.
Ganon? Naiiba yung...
Yeah. It's like, it's I don't know, I like to think of them
Nahalata mo
as,
pala yun?
yeah, I like to think of them as like very authentic people. And that's how I want to be, like, you know.
Sophia, ano mga advice ni ng mom mo? Kasi na, how to stay humble in this age of never babies.
Yeah. Yeah.
Na inaabang-abang ako sa YouTube.
But I feel like that's really the main thing that my mom always tells me. Just always stay humble, stay grounded. You know. Just,
General kasi yung humble and grounded. Oo. Iba yung humble. Iba yung humble. Lagi mo isipin na yung mas magaling sa'yo. Now, when you make it, remember, hindi mo nakamit yan kasi ikaw. Maraming involved sa success. And never forget that God made you who you are, where you're at, and where you're going to go. Kasi pag yun nawala sa radar mo, makakaasa ka na hindi mangyayari ang gusto mo. Nakaasa din ako ng ganyan eh dati. Umasal ako na ako lang. O ano nangyari? But when you realize that He is the source of everything, alam mo na. And then it keeps you grounded eh. Yung hindi ka pwede magyabang. Ikaw yumabang. Kasi there's no room for that. The only room that you should make for, yung meron kang room for welcoming and room to open yourself enough to teach. Yan, ganung drama. Hindi ko siya tinuturuan eh. Kasi sabi ko, kapag tinuruan kita, magagalit ka sa akin. Pero kung kailangan mo ng totoong advice, walang chika, eto kasi yung mali at eto yung I'll give it to you. You know why? Because I'm the only one that will give you the correct advice. Hindi yung may sugarcoating. And then, malalaman niya, di ba, na, tama. Pero hindi naman kami nag-aaway. Ako may naaway niya. Ako ang slave.
Hindi ka stage mom, Miss Jaya.
Hindi na. Hindi. Ayoko mapagalitan mo.
How are you in JR?
Oh, me and Kuya Jer, he's known me since I don't even remember.
When you were born.
Since I was born. So growing up, I always knew who Kuya JR was. Like, he used to be this guy who used to like give me like cupcakes, like in the dressing room. Yeah, he always gives like his Angry Bird cupcakes, like, and I always loved. I knew him for that guy, and so I think that growing up, like, you know, working with him, it was such a big blessing for me, and I'm so glad that he saw the potential in me because he really invested.
Did he sign you?
So we don't have a contract, but he's like, I'm under his wing. So he really like took me in and he like helped me like put my music out there, master everything.
How do you help one another in the States?
So because everything's online, so I would send him sessions and then we'd go back and forth. Tapos one day we would be like, alright, let's plan a trip to LA. And then
Layo rin, di ba?
Yeah,
So I have to plan the trip para ako yung driver.
So you'll just drive. Nice.
So, lipad, rent a car,
It's his car.
Yeah, we rent his car. Tapos, I will drive her to the studio and then ako yung bibili ng food nila. Tapos doon lang sa tabi. Naghihintay. Parang, JR, sabihan mo. No, it's okay. It's all chill, man. It's all chill. Matutugin. Ako magsasabi, no. Hey, Rhea, we do it again. Like this. Nagalit ako. Pero tama kailangan gentle Gentle si JR, pero ako yung nagsasabi, sabihin mo.
Yeah, he's super chill. He's really like a kuya to me. Like, that's how I call him Kuya Jay. So, yeah.
So, since na-mention na po yung stage, of course, there are moments na yung parang, when you see Sabrina, like, no, malaki siya, parang, we have those kinds of feelings.
Hindi naman. Kasi, meron. Yung talagang, ganun lang sa side. Pero nakikita, kasi gusto kong i-push niya yung limit Push mo, sige. Kung di mo kaya, huwag mong gawin. Nakikita niya kasi yung style ko. Yung how to cheat a voice pag pakus ako. How to not do the note pag hindi ka sure. Pero pag sure ka, push mo. Laruin mo na ng laruin to see how your throat is gonna react. So sinasabi ko lahat sa kanyang secrets. Kasi there's not gonna be a time na lahat perfect. May time talaga, ano po nangyayari?
Payat ka, pagod ka, exhausted, not feeling it.
No, more exhausted. Not feeling it, ang weird naman. Makakapag. Tsaka, di ba?
Parang Mariah. Lisa din.
But she's really great at what she does. I just want to help bring her in the industry para maramdaman din niya yung yays and makita niya yung reaction ng tao, iba ang live. Iba ang live. Pag ayaw nila, pero pag gusto nila, yun yung mga kailangan matutunan.
Sabrina, I have a question because lately, hindi lang ikaw yung mga anak ng mga legends who are now entering. You use the word, ayoko na nga.
Hindi menopause, di ba?
Meno baby. Okay, Meno baby. No, parang may pressure ba that there's something to do?
I feel like for me, not really. I don't know, I feel like I think it's chill naman kasi I'm not really like, I don't have much out there things, pero I don't know, I don't want to like have that mindset of like comparison, especially when it comes to being like a child of an artist and whatnot. Like, it gets to me sometimes, like I think about it and I'm like, you know, like there's like those thoughts though where you're like, oh, people are expecting to be like my mom and this and
Ako din they expected me to be like my mom. Wali. Kasi iba. So ako iba, siya iba.
But at the end of the day, yeah, we're all different, so I think we should just do our thing.
Yeah, because they're saying like, parang you had an easy access to get in.
Right.
Because of your mom.
Hindi rin ako marunong kasi gumamit ng influence ko Sabi nga nila, gamitin mo yung pangalan mo. Saan? Sabi, hello, si Jaya, I really don't think that way. Kaya I asked for Cornerstone's help. Ano ba, can you guys help her? Kasi hindi ako marunong Ganun, I don't think that way.
Most of the time it's like, as much as I think, oh, I have that title of Jaya's daughter, most of the stuff I do is on my own. Like, you know, my mom doesn't help me practice singing, she doesn't help me write songs. Everything that I do on my hand is my stuff. But of course, I'll always go for you.
This is her support. This is her way of showing.
Yeah.
Oh.
She can do it.
Yes.
She's got it. She's got it. Just need time. Just wait for time. Bonggang.
Congrats.
Thank you. Any other
Questions?
Any other questions?
Yeah. Kahit nasa US kayo, aware din po ba kayo na the music industry in the Philippines is very alive and new artists are emerging?
Sorry, ano?
New artists are emerging.
I know. I'm really excited about that. Finally, ito na yung bagong symbol ng mga artists na ito na talaga sila. So like, I would tell my daughter, while this is happening, get in there. Kasi wala na tong anak ni ganon or saan ka galing. It's about your music, your talent, show them what you have. Ako, na-excite ako kasi nandito ako ng ilang weeks, 3.5. Gusto kong makanood ng ibang shows. Eh, hindi ko maalam kung makakaabot ako sa ibang artist na merong mga concert dyan. So, I'm gonna ask Caressa din. Kasi nakanood ako ng TJ sa San Francisco. So, naiyak-iyak ako.
Wow.
Naiyak ako. Kasi iba na yung nakita ko, Kares, grabe yung ginawa ni Direk dyan. I was like, ito na pala ang concert scene sa atin. Paano ko hahabulin ito? Very visual. Very storytelling. Yung mga kanta, parang nakakaiyak. Tsaka yung mga lights na umaangat, na kontrolado pala ng, alam mo yun, yung visuals niya, iba. Sabi ko, kailangan ko na palang bumalik sa pagsasayaw. Charot! No, but I'm really excited to be part of the new scene, kahit man lang collab-collab, kung may gustong makipagkata. But yeah, I'm excited. Very, very good yung mga bago natin. I don't wanna mention any names kasi marami sila.
So, mga bading ng bagong
Mga bading? Ano man gusto niyo mga box? Ano mang klase ng song?
Kasi yung last mo, gusto ng mga bading?
Yung hanggang dito na lang.
Yes. Correct.
Well,
Sa mga inuman ng mga bading, yun ang kinakaroon.
pati sa US, yung mga bakla doon,
Diba?
mama, sakit. Well, kasalanan ko ba? Hindi na ako nasabi niya.
Yung maganda rin yung gawa ni Ian for You.
Kasalanan ko ba? Guys, listen to that album. Nakakaloka. Tanggap ko na. Kasalanan ko ba? Hanggang dito na lang. May isa pa eh.
Sakit nga.
Sakit lahat. At yung ba ginaganyan?
Music yan.
Oo nga. Bakit? Ba't ako?
Ate, mag-share ka lang about sa guest mo. Yung
Oh yes! So, ito na nga, nag-iisip kami ng guest. Sabi ko, gusto ko ng guest na kilala ko. Yung meron akong relationship with them. Kasi mahirap yung may guest ka lang tapos kumanta lang kayo. Mararamdaman yun sa stage. And Eric Santos and I were very close friends. Si Jason D, ganun din. Parang naging, hindi naman mommy, but kahit darang ko kasi mami niya eh. So talagang when we were hanging out at the time na nag-soldier kami, naging deep din yung relationship. Tsaka si Augie, obviously. The man is almost like a mentor. He really helped shape my faith. So, hindi pwedeng wala. Si Regine, I asked her, kaya lang, live Idol every Sunday. Siya una kong tinanong, syempre. Uy, baka pwede ka ba? Oo, check na tayo schedule! Tapos balik siya agad. Mara, hindi pwede. But obviously, it's gonna be the husband na kakasama for the night. Sana ma-enjoy ninyo yung selection of songs. We wanted to really stretch everything kasi sa dami nga nang pwedeng gawin, di ba? Kaya lang sa iksirin ng time, paano? So I'm hoping and praying that this show, mabuo namin siya ng tamang-tama sa panglasa, and then from there, we can then come up with another plan. Kasi di ba, ang mga Pinoy gusto lahat kumanta. Not tayong choice. Lahat singers. So after this, testing natin, then let's see what's next. Pero ito, kakanta siya, not as an opening act, but as my special guest.
Tapos pag ate, itis natin, bawal pa interview niya, pero after the concert, nilalabas si ate na isang collaboration with the Gen Z.
Woo!
May isang Gen Z.
So sabi ko, yun yung collaboration natin.
Kaya naayos ko na yung sarili ko ganito makasuti. Kasi kagaya yung mga...
Siya yung pangarap na makakolab. So, itutuloy namin.
Nagulat lang ako.
We will release the song after the concert.
Ilang taon lang siya.
wala pa ata 25. Bagets talaga, Gen Z talaga.
Sabi
So
ko
siya
nga,
yung dream ko lang, gagawin namin after the concert, i-release siya before she leaves.
right. Sabi ko lang, oh sige, good luck.
So, 3 weeks kayo dito.
Is it 4 weeks? September 6, October 6. That's about a
Yeah,
month.
Yeah.
1 month talaga.
Isang buwan.
Sige, ano po tayo,
Siyempre,
para bigyan
sure.
ng para may 2 questions tayo para before sila chika-chika after. May magtatanong ka po? Sige, si Hannah.
Siguro last ko na lang po for my end. With the success of OPM now, parang do you feel now na parang you can fully let go and just be like the mentorship and just
Let go? I mean, okay, wait.
let go in the sense na parang hindi ko na kailangan like to keep up much with
Oh my
everyone.
gosh, yeah. You know
Just
what?
be the mentor.
Sakto yan. I was thinking about that. Like, who would ask me that question? Wala na po ako dun sa hustle mode. Siguro naman sa 30 plus years, 10 years old pa lang ako, dancer na ako ni mama, tapos 12, pinilit na niya ako kumanta and I was already doing the hustle. Ano na ako ngayon? I'm very much content and grateful na narating ko yung ganito na ang tagal, no? 2025? I started 1980. Kumikita na ako ng pa 50, 20, 20, gano'n.
45 years na.
Doing this, yes. Stevie B was 1988. Banda was 1985.
Metro Pop.
1996. Kakauwi ko lang eh. Tinatago-tago pa nga ako kasi madjubis daw ako. Sabi ko, ay, huwag ang pakainin niya si Mamita. Talaga, give her only tilapia.
Doon ako wala na in love sa'yo, Metro Pop.
Damit niya yung suit. Damit niya. Kasi wala akong pera. Kaya bumili, sabi niya, huwag ka na bumili, go in my closet. And that was the beginning of everything. Metro Pop was really...
Ate, mag-sample ka ng konting sometimes you just know.
Serious?
Oo, totoo.
Pinakata nga namin dito.
Ano naman ni MJ?
Ano ba
Chorus na lang tayo.
Love is a sweet thing and love conquers all. And sometimes you just know you're about to fall. It's really funny when you're out of control. Sometimes you just know it's a true love call.
Ate, promote ka na.
Oo, ito na nga. Gusto ko pong, una sa lahat, maraming salamat for coming tonight. I know it's traffic. It's been raining, I heard. But you know what? On the night of the show, walang rain. I proclaim it. Kasi ayoko mabasa. Mushroom. No, I really thank you for coming tonight and asking the questions and making me feel very welcome. Actually, kayo yung unang nag-welcome sa akin. So, medyo memorable to sa akin because my daughter's with me. I'm sharing her journey and she shared my journey. And definitely, Jaya All Hits September 14 is going to be a very fun, nostalgic, and sana maging storytelling time. Kasi ang dami kong gusto i-share, parang kulang yung 5 oras. But that is gonna be the night I hope that maging part kayong lahat. September 14, directed by none other than John Prats, the man of the hour. Sobrang daming successful na concerts, John. Thank you for taking this project and I hope hindi ka ma-disappoint sa akin. And of course, Cornerstone Concerts, L Squared Productions PH and Cal Studios. Cornerstone, thank you for the faith and the belief. Si Jeff and si Vision Erickson, talagang yan sila ka-rest. Wala na siguro akong pinaka anong tawag yun, yung support system. Kasi wala naman akong ganun eh. Family ko lang, aanig lang kami. And then Cornerstone is really my core family here when it comes to my career. Lahat ng gusto kong gawin, plano, pagkanta, sa kanila nanggagaling. So thank you for making this concert possible. Siyempre, musical director, first time to work with this young man, Jem Florendo. He never disappoints and I truly, truly hope that after tonight, Jem, tuloy-tuloy na tayo with other projects. Kasi alam mo na, bagets, kailangan bagets din ang lola mo. Anyways, ticketnet.com.ph is where you can get your tickets and this is going to be at the New Frontier Theater. September 14, Sunday. Itong Sunday na ite. This is Zip on Zip. Can't wait to see you. Our very special guests are Jason B, Eric Santos, and Mr. Ogie Alcacid. And I have my friends backing me up, Sushi, Zebedee, and LK on backing vocals. At syempre lahat ng ating musikero, mga kaibigan, mga kumpare. It's gonna be a fun evening. Hopefully, as much as I'm blessed with this show, kayo din ma-blessed with what you're going to hear. And let's pray it doesn't rain! Thank you sa lahat ng nandito ngayong gabi. Thank you for your support.
Photo please.